Ever wonder why your 3D printed threads strip out the first time you screw in a bolt? The problem isn't your printer, it's how you're modeling them in Fusion 360. First thing to understand, cosmetic threads are worthless for 3D printing. They're just visual annotations for technical drawings. You need modeled threads, which create actual helical geometry your slicer can work with. Yes, they balloon your file size and triple your export time, but they're the only option that actually works. Here's the catch, not all threads should be modeled. For anything M5 or smaller, skip the modeled threads entirely. Instead, print a smooth, undersized hole and press in a brass threaded insert with your soldering iron. It prints faster and holds way stronger. For larger threads like M6 and up, modeled internal threads work great. Just use the thread tool, select your hole, choose isometric profile, match your bolt size, and critically, check that modeled box. One more thing, plan to test print at least twice. Filament shrinkage and printer tolerances mean your first attempt probably won't fit perfectly. Dial in your tolerances and you'll never deal with stripped plastic threads again. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.